What up, guys? So today we're gonna be doing an oil change on the Beast, but I just got to my in-laws house, so right now we're just gonna let it sit, kind of cool down a little bit. But we're gonna do the front headlights on my father-in-law's car, or truck I mean. So we got on some LEDs. We're gonna see how it looks after that. Alright, so he needs to get this bumper fixed, but he wants to kind of get rid of the stock headlight look without buying new headlights housings, I guess. So we're just gonna go ahead and change the bulbs. I got him these bulbs. I didn't get him nothing for his birthday, but I figured this would do. Ice blue, it should look good. Alright, so quick 5-minute update. Took out the front grill. So 1, 2 bolts on each side, holding these in, and then of course it's got a little pin in the back to hold it in place. So like I said, real simple install. It's gonna change the look of this truck for sure. He's gonna like it. All right, so now that this has cooled down pretty good already, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the oil change. I already finished with the truck, so I'll turn those lights on when I'm done after this. All right, everything's looking good. I washed the engine the other day, so headers are looking nice and pretty. I don't care about discoloration. I kind of like that, so looks all good. Let's get this oil change ready. Hope I don't make a mess. Woo! We got it, boys. We got it. This is gonna fill up pretty quick, so. Do. Good thing I got another pan to empty out into, so we won't run out of space on this one. A little video here. Got the other pan in there now. That's probably the cleanest oil change I've ever done in my life. Shit, I always make a mess. Drain plug is tight. New AC Ducko oil filter is on there. We're good to put some oil back in this bad boy. I noticed that my O2 sensor harness was kind of laying on the header, so I kind of just moved it out to the side. Should be cool. This one looks fine, so we're good on that one. Yeah, boy. Jesus, it's hot under here.
Don't record my face.
Oh, yeah. She wanted to throw some oil in there, so I guess I'll let her do that.
Since I can't drive this shit.
Right. She can't drive it, but she can do an oil change on it.
I can drive, just not your car.
Yeah. So I'm just using some Valvoline, some 530 Dexels, you know, nothing crazy. It's just what's recommended on these. So it'll be all right. Getting ready for a startup.
Go.
Alright, so we got the fog lights and the high beams done on my Circuito's truck. But the thing was, the only reason we were able to do that was because when we ordered it, they only send us the high beams and the low beams, which they were supposed to send us the low beams also. Or my bad, they only sent us the high beams and the fog lights, and they didn't send us the low beams. This is what happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and call that company, or I'm just gonna go ahead and order them off of Amazon. I don't want to go back and forth, so it's whatever. It's, you know, the whole kit was only like 40 bucks anyway, so I'm out like 15 bucks if anything, so it's all good. Just gonna go ahead and order them off of Amazon for him and get that going, and I'll show you guys what that looks like on the next video. But other than that, we're good right here. We're about to go home, chill, relax, and then we'll see what's good on the next video. Peace.